So now a quick analysis on our pound USD. Now before we go, we are currently on our London section, by the way. So it depends on where you are watching it. Probably you might be watching it now in this our London session or later in our New York session. So we will do analysis. We can see our daily time frame. We are actually on a bearish move, by the way. We are actually falling on our pound USD. Now let's see where our price is actually been moving for some days. We can see we are actually now trying to go bullish on our pound USD, and I believe until we hit this key area here, this level here, which is about 1.23, then I don't think we will be falling anytime soon on our pound USD. Analysis from our daily time frame I'm doing, so I don't believe we will be falling anytime soon. We will continue to go bullish until this my price goes up to at least 1.23. Then I possibly might think, okay, or 1.23715, then we possibly might be looking for a short position to short our pound USD. If not, we should continue to buy this our pound USD. Now let's see it on our index, so you understand where our price is moving. You can see our USD index is falling, right, on a bearish move, which means any pair we are trading our USD to would actually be going bullish. So that means our USD itself will be falling, while our pound we are analyzing on will actually be going bullish. That is why we are seeing this bullish move. Now let's see on our 4-hour time frame for the day. Now we can see we are actually having this higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows on our 4-hour time frame. Now let's see it's our higher highs here, our higher lows here. We see this our higher highs breaking our previous higher highs, right? Now we are having this pullback. I believe by the opening of our New York session, we would actually go highs again. But before we probably go highs, I would want to see my pound to actually drop to this low, yes, giving us like a double bottom, right? At least my pound to my USD to drop to at least 1.21057, then I will consider looking for a buy. It depends on how the volatility we see on this our pound USD today. I would love to see a drop on our pound, tap this low here, then a continuous bullish move on our USD and our pound USD. So it depends on how our price will place out. That is exactly what our analysis is telling us.